Okay, so this is day one of our adventure. Now we are in somewhere in California.
Mojave Desert.
We're in the Mojave Desert, and we were going to camp at Joshua Tree National Park for a few days, but there has been a extreme wind advisory with winds up to what, 70 miles per hour? 80 some places. Well, thank you. Oh yeah, I got it.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
You're having too much fun, Dad.
No, I'm not.
Dad, it's a metal thing. It's a metal thing. You can't run over that.
We walked not even that much, and we're really tired.
Yeah, a car wouldn't have been able to make it up here. And we were like, oh, just
Okay,
go
so
around.
we just I was just checking the map after, you know, a break because I just wanted to know where we were, and I realized that Cottonwood Canyon is like across a mountain from us.
Yeah, we look like we're in Lamonge Canyon.
We're in Lamonge Canyon. We are not in Marble.
We had
No, I
passed
see
two
the
people,
issue.
by the way.
It's because it was here, and this is. So this is like on the it's like we're
on the other
it's
side.
on
of
the-
Not wrong
The wrong
side.
No, it's on both sides.
Video blog.
Hey,
Oh my god.
we're on our second day. We decided to camp out in, what was the place? Livonia. That's what Dad's calling it.
It is French.
It's fine. We did it, guys. we made it. Okay, thank you. Bye. We're currently at the lowest lake in the entire world,
This is the
and
lowest.
This is Manly
Lake.
Lake, and
It's
it's not
Manly.
actually a lake. This is it's a temporary lake
Do tell
called
them.
Manly. It's a temporary lake called Manly Lake. It's here since a typhoon last.
lowest lake in the world. This is the lowest
Lowest
point.
point.
It's the lowest point in the world,
Lowest
so it's the
point
lowest lake in the
North
world.
America.
It's really sandy.
It's called Manly Lake. It's a reference to variable performance.
I don't get it. Okay, so we got some updates for our fans. I hope that you do actually put this into a
Just
video.
Dad's phone.
So we are here. We'll put Carrie in here. We just went to the visitor center, and we were like, because we wanted to get a permit for Cottonwood Canyon, Marble Canyon hike, and then we learned that the road to get into that is closed, washed out because of weather. So we looked in our book again, and we found this Ubehebe trail that's like a circle, and it goes around some really interesting spot. We are a little concerned about the road going into it, just a little bit, because it said like there are sharp rocks and we should have good tires. The ranger got nervous when we said we had a rental, so that was a good sign. Right now we are at Tea Kettle Junction.
We're racing up the mountains next to racetrack. What is this called? It's racing racetrack, rock racetrack.
Playa.
How did they do so?
There's the racetrack down there. There's Ubehebe Peak, and that's our goal. Prudence took over, and I'm at the nameless peak next door. There's Ubehebe. Not to be scaled today.
Toad Factory? I don't think they have that, Dad.
back of this mine that I'm standing in that spurs the imagination. Oh, it's on video.
Oh my god.
What are you seeing?
Fucking mine. Old ass mine. And it's really fucking deep. I can't see the bottom.
I cannot see your bottom, man. It just goes down and down. Hello!
Hi guys! And it's pretty out, but I can't appreciate it because I'm tired.
Why are you so tired?
We went down we went up a mountain, then we went down one that was a little steep. We had to walk all the way through a bunch of arroyos, went up a little mountain and around, and my feet hurt so much.
It's we made it to about 7:15. We're camped in an arroyo in the middle of nowhere in the saline bowl, and tomorrow we've got to hoof it, so we're gonna get up before dawn and get underway, because that's the way we roll.
Sunrise hike!
This is our morning here, walking up to Wash to get to Corridor Canyon. Still haven't had breakfast.
Don't have no dang leg.
You need your strength right now.
Oh my god. Okay. Break.
Here's the cliff we scrambled around. What a view. So guys, we made it to the corridor.
Woo!
It looks like a corridor.
It's real straight. We're gonna do a lot of walking.
Straight line, that's kind of, it goes on for miles this way.
You just walked up it effortlessly. I was like, how did you do that?
That is a pretty good view, Dad.
We are at Whitewater Preserve, and we showed up and we went to the ranger station to try to get some information about hiking and stuff. Not a peep. Well, actually no, a peep from behind doors.
We could tell there was people back
There were people, but they didn't want to talk to us. So we left a note on our dashboard and just started heading off. So, yeah, good luck on our trip to us. Oh, she's too short.
Daddy's got a rock in his shoe.